Asking for somebody's name. Remember, you need to sound as if you're sincerely interested in finding out the answer. Informally. Jane Tennemahusht. Formally. Jane Tennemahurf. Speaking to a group. Jane Nahenemen Nahurf. Keep in mind the dialects. Enem or Enyum. When you answer this, there are 4 ways you can do that. 1. Just give them the answer. Shonak. You can also say Smisha Shonak. If you struggle with the Smisha, remember there's a word similar to it. Smitten. Smitten. It is the same sound. Smisha. Thirdly, Sheshonaka Horum. And then last but not least, if you really want to impress and show off your skills, Shonak and Tenem Mahorum. Let's listen to 3 conversations. 1. Informally. Chin Tenem Mahorst. She Eli and Tenem Mahorum. Chin Tenem Mahorst heen. She Anna and Tenem Mahorum. 2. Formally. Chin Tenem Mahoruf. She Padri Kahorum. Jane Tenem Mahoruf heen. Or Jane Tenem Mahorufshe. She Kunjoch and Tenem Mahorum. Number 3. A group of people. Jane na Henneman na Hurf. She Sheamus a Geshoris a Hurren. Jane na Henneman na Hurf heen. Or Jane na Henneman na Hurfshe. She Ishpel a Gesdal a Hurren. Did you notice that when we throw the same question back, we use an emphatic form, either by using heen or by using the emphatic prepositional pronoun?